Go. Hey, it's Tim and Shana in the midst of a snowstorm in New York City. We got several inches today, so excuse the shaky camera technique and the wind, and my hands are probably going to freeze soon. But anyway, we just thought we'd show you two things. One, how much fun it is to jump in the snow. Hey. And run around like kids again. And then two, jumping rope to improve your balance. One of the best ways to do that is to be on an unstable surface. And what's more unstable than snow and ice, and then you got wind, and so I think that's a lot more fun than trying to jump on a Bosu or a Airx pad or something of that nature. So here you got Shana doing her side swing. Snow's kicking up every which way. She's got snow boots on. She's got her scarf on. The wind is going nuts here. Swing, swing, jump. We'll see how long we can sustain this before someone finds us frozen to death. By the way, this is the new Beginner's Luck Emerald rope, 6mm with foam grip handles. Pretty cool. I'm gonna back up just a tiny bit so you get the full effect here. Nice, still going swing, swing, jump. It's really the best way to jump in the snow, because if you try to jump consistently, you're just gonna trip a whole lot, and that's not a whole lot of fun. So we'll do a few more for you. But guys, whatever the situation, wind, rain, sleet, snow, nothing can keep you from your jumping rounds. All right, thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up if your hands aren't frozen like ours. And if you have any questions, jot them down and we'll answer them as soon as we can. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.